Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your wealth with Citigroup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Determine your net worth by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. Identify your financial goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. Consider setting specific milestones to track your progress. Next, open a Citigroup account if you don't already have one. Research the types of accounts offered by Citigroup, including checking, savings, and investment accounts. Choose the accounts that align best with your financial goals. Fund your account appropriately to ensure you have a financial base to work from. Utilize Citigroup's online tools and resources to help track and manage your finances. Explore investment opportunities through Citigroup, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. Consider consulting with a Citigroup financial advisor for personalized wealth management strategies. Review your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals. Take advantage of Citigroup's retirement accounts to prepare for your future. Make regular contributions to these accounts to maximize your retirement savings. Utilize Citigroup's budgeting tools to track your spending and optimize your savings. Set up automatic transfers to move funds into savings and investment accounts. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes that could impact your investments. Adjust your financial strategy as necessary, based on your growing knowledge and changes in your personal circumstances. Finally, regularly reassess your overall wealth protection strategy to ensure it remains effective. By following these steps, you can leverage Citigroup's resources to effectively protect and grow your wealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.